All right, let's today now continue feature branch strategy. So previously we have seen the trunk based where our pipeline succeeded. Now let's begin with the feature branch strategy. So this is feature branch is used when we want to isolate work on a new feature. So let's check it out. Our code. So our code is here for the feature branch. I'll straight away execute this code. Right. So this I'll paste it in the CMD. Let's paste this. So this looks good, and here we can see the new branch feature login, right? So in feature branch strategy, this is all about creating a new branch. If we look in the code, get checkout -b, that is for the new branch. -b is creating a new branch, that is feature login, right? So we have basically created one new branch, and now let's go to our Azure DevOps. Now we need to open one basically a pull request. In the repos, I'll go to pull request, and here we can see the feature login, right? What we had in the code. If I show you here, I had the new branch, right? Feature login, right? So let's create one pull request. Out of it, I'll click create pull request, and please make sure here feature login, that is our feature, that is our branch into main, right? So this will allow the code to review before merging. So we can view in the files as well. See, this is the thing we have added, right? Login feature demo. If I show you the code here, echo login feature demo, right? We have appended to login md. This is a new file, right? So this is the thing we are doing here by creating a new branch, right? Previously, if you remember, in the trunk based, we have done everything directly in the main, right? So now we are creating one new branch, right? And the branch name is feature login. Then I'm just appending this line login feature demo into the file login.md, which is nothing but this one. So this looks good. Let's say everything looks good. I can add reviewer. In real life project, you can add your teammates. But since I'm the only person in this project now, it doesn't make any sense to add me as a reviewer because I've already reviewed, because since I'm the only one developing it. So once are done, we can add tags as well, right? If it is development, production, those kind of things, anything, right, related tags. So once done, I'll click on create the pull request. So basically the pull request allows the code review before merging. So the person reviewing this code, if looks good, can approve this. Click on complete here, and there we go. Let's click on complete merge button, and it's done. We can see the completed, right? So we have successfully approved and merged it back to the main. So basically using the feature branch strategy, it keeps the main clean, that is the main branch clean and stable. So that's what the concept of feature branch strategy goes. So let's meet in our next hands-on lecture, where we'll be continuing this with the release branch strategy.